Good morning, world hippies. This morning I woke up in London and I'm at a bed and breakfast. I'm not downtown. I don't have enough time to go downtown, but I did decide to come for a walk, you know, through this little neighborhood that I'm staying in. And it's pretty cute. All the houses are totally English. Absolutely love it. It's my first time here. I'm gonna plan a trip to come back and actually, you know, go to Big Ben and Parliament and all that, you know, everything that's downtown. But yeah, it's nice. Look at this. See all those houses back there? Yeah, the epitome of English homes. It's great. I love it. Gosh, it is so peaceful here. And after coming back from India, the weather here is amazing. The cool breeze. It rained last night. Something that I have not experienced in like 10, 11 days. But the cool weather is amazing. I am so tired of the humidity and the 115 degree temperatures. Right now in Fahrenheit, I could guess it's probably about 65. So, and it's morning time, so it should be probably about up to 80 or something today. But that's a guess. But no matter what, it's better than 115 degree temps. So yeah, I'm in London. This would be a really nice place to live. I wanted to take a second and ask you guys, where do you think I should go next? You know, send me some comments, some messages. Tell me what you think would be a really good place that you would want to see next. And pretty much if I get multiple suggestions of the same place, I'll probably do that. I am thinking though the very next one will be somewhere like Puerto Rico. I really have been wanting to go to Puerto Rico for some time now. So Puerto Rico would be nice to go to. I want to also go to Greece. That's somewhere that I've been wanting to go to for a while. And if I go to Greece, I'll probably fit the pyramids in as well in Cairo, Egypt, because I can visit those and then go straight across the Mediterranean to Athens. It's just an idea. It might take a little bit to, you know, be saving up the money to do it, but no matter what, that's on the list. That is a definite must. Some of you have already commented that you wanted me to go to Scotland and Ireland. That would be absolutely amazing. I'd want to do it pretty much during the summer because I don't want to be too far north when it's cold. I really hate cold temperatures. But depending on when I can get over there, when I've saved up the money, things like that, that'll determine when I'll be able to go. But that sounds absolutely amazing also. So I'll get over there. It's just, there's so many locations in the world. I have a whole earth to discover, and I have to do it one place at a time. It'll be interesting to see where I end up next, but no matter where I go, it'll be great to see their culture and to share it with you. Right now I'm staying in a hostel in London, and it's cute. It is really cute. So we're back in the room. I have to be quiet because the walls are quite thin and it is like 6 o'clock in the morning. so I don't want to wake anyone or annoy anyone. So here's the bathroom. It's quite small, as you can see. This is the temperature control and the to turn the shower on and off. So it's two little knobs. That's different. And for heat, there's a closed face radiator. Small little bed. But see? Yeah. It's very small. But I wanted to stay in a hostel just to see what it was like here in London, and it's nothing fancy at all, but it's a great price. This cost, I believe, $35 a night, so that is very budget friendly. So if you can, if you don't have to have luxury, then go for it. Get in a hostel and save your money. Because if you save your money and you spend smart, you'll be able to travel many more places. When you buy tickets, like airline tickets, then get the tickets that have longer layovers. You can do it. Trust me. I've had 5.5 to 7 hour layovers this whole trip. But I got my tickets over here for $750. So trust me when I say traveling is affordable if you're willing to sacrifice. You can't have luxury all the way. If you want luxury and comfort the entire trip, convenience, you're going to pay for it. And you're not going to get to see as many places or go as far. So make sure that you get the tickets with the layovers, because it drops the price of the ticket. Stay in places like hostels, and if you don't want to stay in a dorm style hostel, then do your homework. There's places like this that have private rooms with your own bathroom as well, so you don't have to share bathrooms. But if you're willing to give up that and stay in a dormitory style hostel, then you're going to be spending maybe $12 to $20 a night. So that's a way to save even more money so you can get to more places as well. While I'm at this, I will tell you guys, if you are a guy and you shave, okay, or get a converter for your electric outlets. I got an adapter and I can't, it doesn't convert, I guess, 220 to 110 voltage, so I can't use my shaver to take care of this scruff because I'll blow my trimmer up. Make sure you get an adapter that converts electricity as well. Very, very smart. Bad on my part. Tell me the universe speaking is not real, and I'll call you a liar. Because the area of town that I'm staying in is called Brands Hill. And the road I'm staying on is Brands Road. And I'm Brandon, so I mean, it all makes sense. It's absolute, it's just amazing how these things work. Look at that, it's a little pub called the Queen's Arms. Any one of you who truly know me knows that I am obsessed with llamas. They actually have an advertisement for some pear and raspberry drink with a llama. Hey there, llama. I have run across what's called the Crown Meadow Wildlife Heritage Site. So let's go see. It looks like a greenway. You know I'm obsessed with greenways. Yeah, it's a nice little area. It's just a small greenway from what I can see. But you have these meadows out here, all kinds of clover It's pretty peaceful. No way. Okay, this is taking exercise to a new level. Look, y'all. They have a gym here on this greenway. Are you serious? Job well done, UK. Job well done. When in London, and you, oh shoot, and you have a gym in the park, go for it. Woo! Getting the exercise on this morning. Whew. I'm sitting here in the airport ready to fly home. I only have 2 hours left before my flight, and I got this pizza. I've never seen anything like it. Has an egg right in the middle of it. So we'll talk when I get back. So remember, world hippies, stop traveling. Bye.